Today's maths lesson is an investigation, and we are going to be investigating lockdown outfits. So we're going to do an investigation today where we're going to find possibilities. Now, what if I only had 3 different trousers and 3 different tops to wear? How many possible combinations are there of different outfits that I could wear? Now, you could have a go with this yourself. If you can find 3 different pairs of trousers or shorts and 3 different tops at home, can you find all the possible different combinations of outfits you could make from 3 trousers and 3 tops? Now, how will you also record all of your combinations, and how will you definitely know that you have found all of the possible combinations? And once you've found your combinations, can you spot a link or a pattern? Now, if you pause the video, I am going to go on to showing you how I might record my answers and my possibilities. So here I've laid out all my different possible combinations. Now I might want to write down all of my combinations systematically. So blue trousers and white t-shirt. Blue trousers and yellow t-shirt. Blue trousers and grey t-shirt. And then I could do the same for my next 2 pairs of trousers. Or I might want to write it in a table. So I could start with, so this time I'm actually going to say trouser 1 and t-shirt 1. Now you could just think of all the different combinations. So you might then go trouser 2 and t-shirt 3. But I would suggest doing something a bit more systematic. So I'm going to stick with my trouser 1. I could also wear with t-shirt 2. And my trouser 1 I could wear with t-shirt 3. Now I could think about trouser combination 2, which I could also wear with t-shirt 1. And I could also wear trouser 2 with t-shirt 2. And also with t-shirt 3. Are you starting to see how I've chosen a systematic way of recording my information? Now, when you use things systematically, it sometimes helps you to spot patterns and links. So finally, I have trouser 3, which I can wear with t-shirt 1. I can also wear it with t-shirt 2, and trouser 3 can also be worn with t-shirt 3. So I've been systematic in the way I've recorded it. Now, if I add them up, I have 9 possible combinations. Now, can you spot a link? Is there anything you're thinking, oh, I think I know how you would find all the possible combinations without having to write everything out? So perhaps you've spotted a link. Now, what I'd like you to do next, if you like, is to think about changing up the investigation. So the things I want you to think about are how you can keep a record of all the possibilities and whether you can spot a pattern or link. But what I want you to think about is this. What would happen if we changed the amount of t-shirts or trousers? So for example, what if we had 4 t-shirts with the 3 trousers? What happened if we had 2 trousers and 3 t-shirts? What happens if we had 5 t-shirts and 5 trousers? Okay, can you predict what might happen? Maybe you've spotted a pattern or a link and you think, I know how I find the possibilities. So could you predict the right amount if we were to change the t-shirts or trousers? Or what would happen if you added hats or socks or sunglasses? So, for example, 3 trousers, 3 t-shirts, and 3 different hats. Would the possibilities change, and how? So there's endless investigations there where you can think about if you had 2 items of clothing, 3 of each, 4 of each, 5 of each, how many possibilities there are. How many possibilities are there if you have 3 different items of clothing? Okay, and you don't have to have the same amount of hats as trousers, as t-shirts. Mix it up. Can you predict the right amount? That's what I'm looking for. Can you predict? That means guess what the right amount will be. And then can you prove it? So carry out the investigation. Think about the first 2 again, how you're going to record it, and if you can spot any patterns or links. And finally, can you make any statements about what you have found out? Perhaps you figure out the rule for finding the possibilities. Maybe I could say to you any number of t-shirts and trousers and hats, and you've got a way of predicting the possibilities. So have fun with your investigation. I'd love to hear about what you find out. Perhaps you can send some pictures in or comment on my post on Facebook. And yeah, happy investigating. If you've enjoyed this lesson video, then please have a look at our website where you can sign up for access to loads more free resources to support maths learning in Key Stage 2. So that's years 3 to 6. I started doing these lesson videos in response to the school closure. We already have a Year 6 app on the market, but the years 3 to 4 and 5 are all being designed especially to help you with your homeschooling. So if you want to keep up to date with more resources as I make them, then check out the website and you'll be able to sign up at www.pocketprivatetutor.co.uk. We're also on Facebook and Instagram where I'm posting loads of different puzzles and tips and tricks that you can have a go at with your family at home. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson.